Imagine stepping into the boxing ring, gloves laced up, adrenaline pumping. Each punch you throw is like a value getting boxed, tightly packed and ready to deliver. And every time you unwrap your hands after the match, it's unboxing, freeing the values back into their natural form. This is much the same way the .NET framework handles boxing and unboxing. In the .NET world, boxing is the process of converting a value type, like an integer or a boolean, into an object type. It's like wrapping your hands in those boxing gloves. The raw power and speed of your punch, your value, is still there, but it's now encapsulated within a larger structure, the glove, or in .NET terms, the object. So, why do we box values? Sometimes we need to store different types of values in the same container, like an array list, which can only hold objects. Boxing allows us to treat these value types as objects, giving us the flexibility to handle them in a uniform way. Just like how boxing wraps up a value, unboxing unwraps it, converting an object back into a value type. It's like taking off those gloves after a match, freeing your hands back into their original state. But remember, boxing and unboxing aren't without their costs. Each time you box or unbox a value, you're creating a new object, and that takes up memory. It's akin to the energy you expend in a boxing match. It's necessary for the fight, but it's also a resource you need to manage wisely. However, .NET gives us tools to minimize these costs. The System Collections generic namespace, for instance, provides us with generic collections that can store value types without boxing them. It's like having specialized gloves that let you throw punches without expending extra energy. So, what have we learned today? 1. Boxing is the process of converting a value type to an object type, like wrapping your hands in boxing gloves. 1. Unboxing is the reverse, converting an object back into a value type, like removing those gloves after a match. 1. Boxing and unboxing have costs in terms of memory use, similar to the energy you expend in a boxing match. 1. .NET provides us with ways to minimize these costs, like the generic collections in systemcollections.generic. Remember, just like in boxing, the key to effective .NET programming is understanding your tools and knowing when and how to use them.